Hello, my name is Daniel Miller, owner and founder of Biblical Anatomy Academy. You can see before you in this video our website. We invite you to it, and if you look at the top here, this is the address that I'm directing you to. It's biblicalanatomyacademy.com/1RM. Capitalization doesn't matter on the 1RM part. And if you enter this, you'll be prompted to enroll in our email list, which will get you the 1RM spreadsheet. And so if you enter in your name and email, you click that, it'll take you to the next page, and there'll be a link right here for our 1RM spreadsheet. I also have a video embedded here that will kind of direct you how to use the spreadsheet to your advantage. But I'll also take a moment to describe that here for your convenience. And so again, when you get to this point, click this link and you'll download the Excel document. If I switch over here to the document itself, this is what you'll see. And as I described in that other video, what we're utilizing this for is to get an estimate if the program that we're on is working. And this is also super important if we're building a new program that is based on our maximum output, our strength. So let's say you're really focused on back squat, and you can back squat 225 pounds and you can do 12 repetitions, but you can't go any further than that. You cannot get a 13th repetition. So what you've just identified is that 225 pounds is your 12 rep max. But how do I figure out what my estimate of a 1 rep max would be? We'll simply enter 225 here in the weight column next to the 12. We're going to hit enter, and it's going to give us a estimate of 321 pounds for our 1 rep max. You can then use this to verify that you have gotten stronger over time, or you can utilize this to then build a new program, your next program. You know, there's a famous quote in the fitness industry that says, everything works and nothing works forever. So if you've become stagnant and you've plateaued, it's time for a new program, and you need numbers like this to build a successful next program. If you need any help with that, we offer programs and we'd love to build you one. If you go to our homepage, biblicalanatomyacademy.com, scroll down a little ways, and there's a green icon that says coffee on it. If you click that, you can schedule a coffee with me, and we can talk about what your goals are and what you're looking to get out of your next program. I've been there 3 major times in my life where I have gained as much mass as I possibly could, as much muscle fat while keeping a low body fat percentage, and I was plateauing. And so I needed to do things like this to then change variables up to then add another 40 pounds of mass. As you may have heard in another video of ours, graduating high school, I was 115 pounds, and currently I'm 225 pounds, and last year I was 240 pounds. So I've gone up a tremendous amount of weight, most of that being solid body mass in terms of muscle. And about the 165 point, the 185, maybe 190 point, and about the 210 point were the 3 major plateaus for me. And I was successfully able to navigate through those based on my experience in the weight room, but also my education in my bachelor's and my master's program. So I'd love to share that knowledge with you. And this is a free resource that can sort of get you started. And then when you're ready to build a program with us, please reach out, schedule a coffee, and we'll get that built for you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. God bless.